So let's start and create some videos together. This is some prompts that I'm currently testing. On the right side, I got ChatGPT thinking. This is a workflow you could try and to create these captivating videos. Let's ask ChatGPT for a story to create a video and need a video idea. I want the video to be about prehistorical life. How did the people survive in those days? And then this helps a lot. Just make a screenshot of something of the input field and enter it into ChatGPT. The nice thing about it is that if you do it like this, you got the power of ChatGPT on the right side and the power of the Cineflow Ulazai tool on the left side. Let's do 5 scenes and let's wait for ChatGPT 5 to come up with some ideas. It's using its memory, I'm seeing, because it's writing about VO3 prompts. That's not what I want. So let's see if we have to activate legacy mode or we can just hope for the best. Let's prehistorical movie. I will talk about the different options. You got VO3 fast with audio. This will output 8 seconds video plus audio. You got Ulazai video. This is just a basic video model for testing purposes. So if you have a nice script that you want to use, you can just test it out with the cheaper option. And then we got Ulazai Pro. It's 8 seconds for each video you are going to create. So if I will show you later, I will select it and I will show you what we are going to do. Okay, let's use that as input. Let's create it, view details, and now we're seeing that the scenes are getting generated. We can just leave that as this. You will see a couple of stuff in GPT-5 that's outputting this all in my memory. So I will have to ask. I have 5 scenes for this movie, and what you are seeing now is that it's going to generate a video shot, a location, a dialogue, and a subject, and an action. And this action is the video prompt. So that's something we're going to use. If you don't like the output of the scenes, you can just press edit and change all these settings. Just change whatever you want it to be. You can do that for every input field. Let's see. For now, I'm going to press approve and continue. Then we're going to the image generation. This is the image prompt. You can select and upload your own image, or you can generate a new image, and that will be 8 credits. Currently, we are only offering this Ulazai image model, but you can I can assure you this is one of the best models there is. This is the image we got from it, and it's pretty cool. As you can see, all the details are awesome. So GPT has outputted nice some more scenes. It's not done yet, but we have selected approve and continue. This is the video generation part. What we can do here is we can generate the video, but before we do that, we're going to open up settings. Then you will get this pop-up beneath the first scene. This is the video motion prompt. We could change this. but for now, I will just leave it as it is for this demo. We could even change the model that we want to use in the video generation settings. I would advise not to do this. If you don't like the setting you have chosen in the first part when you set up the project, then just start over. The first scene generation is just 3 credits, and yeah, that's something you have lost then. But it's best to just choose in the project settings the first step to select immediately the right model. This is all good. I will show it. I will generate the video. The video generation has started. We can't start the second scene generation because we will have to wait for the first video to finish. And in a moment, you will see why we will have to wait. Let's look at what GPT outputted. Okay, and that's pretty nice as well. Scene, a location, the subjects, the props, the action, and the audio. That's pretty nice. And the narration. Yeah, that's something we're using in the video generator as well. So this is 5 scenes that we could use as well. But for now, we're just going to go with our video generator. The video is done, and the video is 6 seconds. This is done because the dialogue is also 6 seconds. As you can see, we can select different voices. For now, we're going for the deep voice man. We're going to generate the voiceover. Voiceover is getting generated, and it's done.
In an untamed world, every dawn was a reawakening to the eternal pulse of survival.
Nice. So this is for the first scene. Is this the audio? Now we're going to prepare the second scene. So if you choose your own image over here, then it will use your own image as first image, and the video will be generated with your own video prompt to do whatever you like. It's full customizable. You can change up every little setting in it. So it's done again, and now we are going to get a scene of 3 seconds. So let's generate the video. Let's see what we will get. So this is the second scene, and this so this first one is 6 seconds. So there's 8 times 6 credits, and this is 3 seconds. So that's 8 times 3, and when you press settings, you will see the estimated cost for this video. So let's see if it's done. Check the status. Oh, it's done. Nice. Cool. So we're going with the deep voice man again. At the voiceover.
The land offered little, demanding everything.
We're going to prepare scene 3. And we're going to look up it's 3 seconds again. We're going to create the video. And this is how you just walk through every little step to keep the character consistent and to generate a whole video based on your own input. So let's do deep voice man. You can just change up the voice in this part to have another voice, but for now, let's look at
Yeah, back, stay back.
Okay, nice. Oh, there's some that popped up an animal behind her. Yeah, there's something that you could change up, and carefully tends a small fire. Adding a twig. Okay, nice. Let's generate it. Let's see how long the scene will be. It was 4 seconds. Yeah, 4 seconds. Okay. Then up to the darkened sky, mixed with exhaustion and a quiet determination on her face. Her shoulders slump slightly in relief, but her gaze remains vigilant, indicating the danger is never truly gone. Nice. Okay. Let's check it. What is Terra going to do? Okay. Deep voice man. Then let's generate the scene.
In the embrace of their defiant flame, they found solace.
And let's prepare the fifth scene. And generate it as well. So this is going to be 6 seconds again. The small band walks with a quiet purpose. Unified Terra occasionally points out something to a companion. And this is the video prompt. So if you want to change it up, you can just change this and you will get a new video. So the video is still generating. You can just press check status to see if the if the video is already done. It shouldn't take very long, but let's see what we got. Nice. And then do deep voice man.
And so, the quiet rhythm of their existence continued, a testament to their unbreakable will.
Cool. So there are a couple of options. You could add background music, but this is something still in beta, and that could not give the right output that you would like, and you could add for each scene background audio. But for now, we're going to continue. And then the video will be merged together. All the video clips, audio will all be merged into one big video. And let's wait for it to be done. Okay, let's see.
In an untamed world, every dawn was a reawakening to the eternal pulse of survival. The land offered little, demanding everything. Yeah, back, stay back. In the embrace of their defiant flame, they found solace. And so, the quiet rhythm of their existence continued, a testament to their unbreakable will.
Cool. You can add it to the prompt directory. Just press generate with AI and enter your username and your Twitter handle and share to the community. To be shared, and then let's look up the result, and then it will be posted to the community with the full prompt, all the scenes, everything. And if you're not familiar with the Ulazai V2 directory, here you can see all these videos in the directory. Get some inspiration, look up what works, what not. This is a pretty cool one. Yeah, and just copy the whole prompt or generate it immediately in your own dashboard. Create an account and start immediately creating. If there's any questions about this whole workflow, just contact me on the website or on WhatsApp.